All right, WMC, this is the video to find our winner between Richie and Seth for our Packers draft freebie. They were the only two that picked the correct Packers, or the correct draft pick. So we'll check the time, April 26th at 2:09 p.m. We're going to go over to the freebie and type live. We have April 26th at 2:10 p.m. 2:10 p.m. There are our two winners. We're just going to randomize your names, and then whoever's on top after the final roll is our winner. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. There's 10. All right, 10 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Last and final. Here we go. Good luck. It is Seth, spot number 1. So, Seth, please message me your shipping info, and I'll get the prize out to you. There is our verification code, our timestamp once again, April 26th, 2:10 p.m. That's it, guys. Thanks for playing.